Hello everyone. Myself Kalpana Chaudhary, RBNB College, Srirampur. All of you welcome in our bridge course and my subject is chemistry. Today we are going to discuss about structure of atom. But before that, we should know what is meant by matter and how matter is classified. That you have already studied, but here let us consider what is matter and its classification. Now matter means that is something that is having specific mass. Anything that is having specific mass. For example, in my hand chalk is there. It is having specific mass, so it is matter. For example, if we consider duster, it is also matter. If we consider gum bottle, then that is also a thing that is having specific mass, so it is also called as matter. Okay, now matter concept, I think you are that is clear now. Okay, now here matter is classified as follows: mixtures and pure substances. Matter is classified into two categories: pure substances and mixture. Now here pure substances are further classified into two categories: elements and compounds. Elements and compounds. These elements are further classified into three types: metals, non-metals and metalloids. And mixture is classified into two categories: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Okay, let us consider here what is matter. Matter is something that is having specific mass. Matter is classified into two categories: pure substances and mixture. Mixtures are classified into two categories: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixtures. Now homo means same, geneous means phase. For example, if we consider milk and plus water, that means here when water is added in milk, then we are not classifying that as what amount of water is present in milk. That is not simply classified. So that is the type of homogeneous mixture. That means when substances are mixed together, their phase becomes same. That type of mixtures are said to be homogeneous mixtures. And heterogeneous mixtures, for example, wheat and stones. गव्हामध्ये असलेले खडे जे आहेत त्याचं एक्झाम्पल म्हणजे हेटेरोजिनियस मिक्सचर्स. ओके, हो, हियर homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Now we are mostly regarding with this type. Okay, matter that is classified into pure substances, and further classification is what? Elements and compounds. Now we are regarding with this thing. What is elements? They are classified into metals, non-metals and metalloids. Metals, non-metals and metalloids. Now we have to see what is meant by atom and what is the structure of atom. Different scientists have given structure of atom, and recently we are using Bohr's atomic model. Now let us consider first what is atom. What is atom? Now I think you may have got idea about what is matter, what is compound, what is pure substances and their classification, how that elements are further classified, metals, non-metals and metalloids. Now atom means what? Atom means what? Atom means it is the smallest part of matter. Atom means it is the smallest part of matter, and also we can say that atom is the smallest part of an element. Atom is the smallest part of an element. So here it is indivisible. According to Dalton's, he is saying that atom is indivisible. that is not divisible further according to Dalton. So here firstly we are saying the definition of atom. Atom is indestructible element, part of element, that is the smallest tiny particle. Atom is the smallest tiny particle. Okay, now what is the actual structure of atom, that we will see according to Dalton's theory. First here the scientist Dalton, he has given idea about the structure of atom. So we will see here Dalton's theory. Dalton's theory. Now according to Dalton, what is the atom? Atom is the smallest tiny particle of matter which is not divisible further. Which is not divisible further. That means here very small particle of an element, that is called as atom. Okay. So here according to Dalton's, we'll consider here, he has considered one of the experiment, and from that experiment he has proved that atom is indivisible. How? That we will see here. He has considered one of the solid ball. Okay, this one is the solid ball. Now here this solid ball, when we are pressing this ball with the help of palms, we are pressing this, then this is not pressing too much, and he has taken bundi ladu. All of you know what is meant by bundi ladu? You are eating that? Bundi ladu? Hello? Bundi ladu. If bundi ladu is pressed with the help of palms, then that breaks. And here, when that bundi ladu is broken, then it is seen that there are so many bundis, they are stick together. In bundi ladu, when that is pressed with the help of palm, then what is seen? Bundi particles, they are stuck to each other. That means here in the atom no space is available. Inside the atom no any empty space is available. म्हणजे बुंदी लाडू जर आपण हाताने प्रेस केला, तर हाताने प्रेस केल्यानंतर तो फुटतो, आणि फुटल्यानंतर त्याच्यामध्ये जे बुंदी आहे ते एकमेकांना स्टिक असतात, आणि तो बुंदी लाडू फोडल्यानंतर डाल्टनच्या असं लक्षात आलं की जो ॲटम आहे त्याच्या इनसाइड रिकामी जागा अवेलेबल नाहीये. त्यानंतर त्यांनी काय केलं, सेकंड एक्झाम्पल हे सॉलिड बॉलचं घेतलं. सो हियर सॉलिड बॉल इज टेकन. सो ही हॅज प्रेस्ड धिस बॉल विथ द हेल्प ऑफ पाम. Then it is seen that according to Dalton, what he has seen that when a ball is pressed with help of palm, then it is not get compressed. Okay, so here he has broken this ball with the help of knife. ही चाकूच्या साहाय्याने हा सॉलिड बॉल कापल्यानंतर त्याच्या काय लक्षात आलंय की inside this ball there is too much empty spaces available. Too much empty space is available. And so according to Dalton, what matter is made of atoms. According to Dalton, matter is made up of atoms. Atoms are indivisible and indestructible. Atoms are indivisible and indestructible because all that atom is empty inside it. Okay, whatever that inside part of the atom, that is totally empty. With the help of thick ball, he has proved that. Now here, all atoms of an element, they are different. For example, if we consider atom of helium, atom of nitrogen, then atom of helium is different than atom of nitrogen. Atom of helium has different properties than atom of nitrogen. That means different elements have different atoms and their masses are also different. And also Dalton proved that when mixing of atoms takes place in a chemical reaction, then they mix together in a simple whole number ratio. According to Dalton's, when molecules are formed by the combination of atoms, then that mix together with whole number ratio. How? That we will consider here. For example, water. In water we know that oxygen is bonded with 2 hydrogen atoms. Okay, for example, these are 2 hydrogen atoms and this one is the oxygen. Now here if we see this molecular formula of water, that is H2O, then here it is seen from this molecular formula what is the atomic ratio here, 2:1. What is the atomic ratio? 2:1. That means 2 hydrogen atoms that combine with 1 oxygen atom. So here ratio becomes 2:1 and water molecule is formed. That means here simple whole number ratio that takes place here to form this water molecule. Now here another example, if we consider carbon dioxide. So here carbon dioxide, in that case also carbon and 2 oxygens are present in the formula of carbon dioxide. According to Dalton's, again here what is the atomic ratio of carbon and oxygen if we compare, then here ratio of carbon to oxygen in CO2, that is also 1:2. This ratio may change according to molecular formula, but here according to Dalton's, when combination of atom takes place to form a molecule, then here simple whole number ratio of atom takes place. Okay, so here what is according to Dalton's theory? Atom is indivisible, indestructible, tiny particle. Matter is made up of atoms. Atoms are indivisible. Atoms inside atom, all part is empty part. Then according to Dalton's, atoms of different elements have different masses. वेगवेगळ्या एलिमेंटचे जर आपण ॲटम्स कन्सिडर केले तर ते वेगवेगळे ॲटम्स असतील. कारण का तर वेगळ्या एलिमेंटचा ॲटम असल्यामुळे त्यांच्या प्रॉपर्टीज, फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज आणि केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ह्या डिफरंट असतील. ओके, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू Dalton's, what we have seen, atom is indivisible particle, matter is made up of atoms. Atoms of different elements have different masses, and when atoms combine together to form molecules, they have simple whole number ratio. And also atoms gain their own identity even after chemical and physical changes are occurs. म्हणजे ॲटमवरती आपण फिजिकल किंवा केमिकल प्रोसेस केल्यानंतर सुद्धा त्या ॲटमची स्वतःची आयडेंटिटी ही टिकून राहते. So this is according to Dalton's. But here what happens, further discovery of this atomic model that is done by the scientist J.J. Thomson.